Hi everybody, it's Frances Leary here again, and today we're going to talk about adding video to our capture pages using Website Wizard. So once you have logged into Website Wizard and you're at your administration panel, you just want to click on Manage Pages. This is going to take you to the page that you've already created, and you'll click Edit. And this will actually open up everything that you've already put onto your capture page so far. So here's the one that we've created. There it is. Now what I want to do is I want to add video right after these words, completely free. So I'm going to add a video right after these words. It's important that you remember exactly where you want to put your video, because you're actually going to have to insert it into the code for your website. And I know you're thinking, oh my gosh, what do you mean? I don't know anything about code. Well, I'm going to show you step by step. It's not difficult. You just have to follow these steps. So find the place you want to insert video. I want to insert it right after there. So then you click on this diamond. It says show code / design. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, here's all of the code for our website. Okay, don't get alarmed. What you want to do is just look down and find the words. Oh, look here, completely free. Remember I said I wanted to put my video after completely free? Okay, so I go to the end of that line. This P means paragraph. Okay, so there's completely free and the end of that line. After that P and then the arrow, I'm going to click enter, and this is where I'm going to paste my code for my video. Okay, now, well, where do I get my code for my video? Well, by this time you will have recorded a video and uploaded it to YouTube. Okay, YouTube is a great tool because you can have your video out there. It's just another source of any traffic to your website. So here's one that I've done previously. What you want to do is you need this embed code that's right here. See, embed, not the URL. You need the embed code. So what you're going to do is select all of this and copy it, Control C, and you're going to go back to your Website Wizard panel right here, and you're going to paste it in, Control V. There it is. See all of this? That's the code for your video. Now there's one more important step that you should add. If you leave the code as it is right now, when someone visits your capture page, they will have to push play in order for your video to play. It's better if your video automatically plays as soon as someone gets to your website. That way, often they'll hear the sound, they'll see the picture, and they will be encouraged to stay on your page for longer. So, in order to do that, you want to find this value equals, there's youtube.com, and then it's your video's ID number, and I'll show you what I mean. If you go back to YouTube, at the end of the URL, this is your video ID here. Mine is TPZ1PY_YU7C. Okay, at the end of this video ID, so in my case it's this C here, you need to find that spot, and you need to type the and sign, and then autoplay, AUTOPLAY, the equal sign, and the number 1. Okay, you see what I inserted there? After my video ID, which is right here, I inserted the and sign, autoplay equals 1. Okay, and I'm now, sometimes there's a bit of a glitch with Website Wizard, and you might have to put it in. So we're going to double check here. Okay, video there, but it's not auto playing yet. So I'm going to go back to again. Okay, let's find it. Go down, completely free. Okay, there. Okay, what it did, let's show you again here. Look, source youtube.com, TPZPYYU7C. Remember, that's I wanted to have and autoplay.com and autoplay equals 1. Okay, well, I put something else. I put in this and amp. Sometimes that happens, okay? But what we need to put, it actually should have an and before this AL as well, because that was already there. So and autoplay equals 1 and HL, okay? That's what that should look like, because the HL was already there with the and sign preview. If you look back to your code here, let's see if I can There we go. Let's see. No, it's not letting me take a look at it. Well, if I were to copy that and just to Notepad or something and show. Okay, here's the code. There's youtube.com and HL. See? So you want that and HL to be there. And all you wanted to do was put and autoplay equals 1, but then after that you have the and HL there. So I didn't change anything, I just made sure that that and HL is still there. So let's go back to Web Wizard. And autoplay equals 1 and HL. Great. Now push save page again. And it's here. Okay. So that autoplay is working. All this because I want it to be centered. Center. I'm going to delete space. That. Okay. Now we'll test it. See again. Now we're going to view the actual website. Previously, whoops. Let's turn this one off. All right. Now let's go to the actual web page itself. I'm going to refresh and see if it comes up. Turn my sound up, see what happens. And it auto-played, so that's exactly what you did do. Fantastic. So there's only one more thing that we have to add to our website, and we will talk about it in the next video, and then we'll be done.